Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 28. Wow, look at all those check marks of the Leetcode Daily Challenge. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's farm, and let me know how your sports teams are doing. Warriors in the finals, that makes me a little bit happy, and the Rangers lost, which makes me a little bit sad. But yeah, I guess it's just playoff season. I don't really have much today. I just been sleeping a lot, and the stock market has been rebounding a little bit. We'll see where it ends up. But for now, for the weekend, I'm a little bit cheerful. Yeah. Anyway, today's problem is 268 missing numbers. So okay, so giving away nums containing we don't only Yeah, I mean this is a classic problem. Are they all distinct? Yep. Because I've definitely solved one before where it wasn't distinct and I made a mistake, I guess. But okay. I mean this isn't that bad. What is there to say? I mean yeah, I think this is a classic problem. You obviously wow, there's a lot of downloads for some reason. I mean, this is another quote unquote easy, but there is a little bit of a trick, which is always a little bit annoying if you ask me. But the other part, of course, is that you can obviously, you can do it in all of, you can put everything in hash table or lookup table or set or whatever you want to call it, and then just, do a for loop and you can get the answer clearly, right? You can also sort and then get to the answer that way. Slightly more expensive, but for reasonable numbers of n, it probably doesn't make a difference. I mean, I don't know how much what to. I feel like the last couple of days have been easy problems, so I don't know. Let me know what you feel about these problems. Kind of. Well, the last couple of ones were okay, and this one was just a little bit. If you haven't seen it before, it could be very tricky. If you have seen it before, this is kind of silly. And also, as a result, for an interview question, I don't know. I would never imagine this, or I myself would never ask one. Maybe it's like a warm-up thing of like, hey, let's take a look at this so that you can warm up. But otherwise, yeah, this is a silly part. And because, it just, whether you see it, whether you have seen it before or not. And the trick and the thing is noting that the sum of the first x number is equal to x times x plus 1 over 2, right? So this is a formula you just have to know, and I may have it wrong, so let me double check. I actually, I'm not gonna lie, I always forget whether it is this or this, because it comes up in random places and I'm always a mess. So the way that I check it is just by 0 is equal to 0, and f of 3 is equal to 3 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 6, obviously. So what is this? Is it 3 times 2 over 2? No, it's 3 times 4 over 2. So I know it's this one. I know. I probably should know this a little bit better, but I always double check because sometimes otherwise I just mess up, right? Okay. So n is equal to length of nums plus 1 because we're missing one number, maybe. Well, plus 1 because we're missing one number, but minus 1 because it starts from 0 and not 1, right? So I know they cancel out, but I'm just gonna leave it in code so you could see that it's clear. And then now total is equal to n times n plus 1 over 2. And of course you have some I don't know. Let's say f total for total f for total from formula, and then total sum is equal to sum of nums, and then the answer, of course, is just the delta between the two. And this should be okay unless I have made a mistake, which, let's be honest here, happens a lot. So yeah, and clearly it happened a lot, huh? Oh yeah, of course. I mean, I was gonna make a comment about clearly that this is bigger than this one because this number has one extra number, but as I was thinking about saying it, I typed it incorrectly. So, but I mean, it's an easy thing to fix, so it's not a big deal. And on contest, that would cost me like 10 seconds, which is fine. Okay, and then I think the only thing I just want to double check is whether we're missing a 1 and we have an 8. I think that's maybe the only thing I want to double check on, but otherwise but okay. So it looks good. Let's give it a submit. I feel good, but we'll see. Unless there's some like weird, tricky thing that I didn't pay attention to, which also happens a lot. So anyway, 788 days. Looks great. Let me know what you think. I'm not gonna go over it this much. This is except for that this is linear time and constant space because we have like 3 variables. Yeah, that's all I have for this one. So I'm gonna keep it short, sweet, and lovely. Let me know what you think. Hopefully you come back later, and we only have like 3 more days, so let's end the month strong. Stay good, stay healthy, take good mental health. I'll see you later and take care. Bye bye.